Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's been a solid week and a half or 2 weeks since I last posted, and that's just because I wanted some time for myself. And then also, I'm sure everyone has social media and seeing what's going on. It's not just on social media, it's in real life and everything that's going on in the States right now. I just didn't feel like that it was an appropriate time for me to post something that was not focusing on what is going on. Aside from social media, that's only a part of it. I think it's more important what you do in your everyday life and how you're making a difference in the actual world rather than just online. So yeah, I don't want to go on about it for too long. I just wanted to say that it's really important that someone doesn't need to die in order for us to make a change. I think it's really important that, you know, we implement this mentality in our everyday life and we make a difference for the long run and not just like a spur of a week or two on Instagram every single time someone dies. I think in addition to what's going on with that, the whole corona thing has obviously put a damper on a lot of people's mental health and lives. My dog is making so much noise, oh my god. Munchie, what are you doing? My dog is literally going crazy right now on the floor. I'm gonna record it and put a snippet in because of course right now he wants to go insane.
Munchie, what are you doing? Munchie, what are you doing? You want attention? Munchie, what are you?
It's so funny that when I finally start recording, there's someone doing work outside. My dog's biting the floor. Stop! Stop! What's wrong? Oh my god, I need to stop this. Mom!
And so
I just wanted to make a video to hopefully put some good vibes or some fun fashion aesthetic into your life, even if it is a short 10 minutes, or maybe you could learn something new from me. I just want to spread some positive vibes. So today I have a pretty fun idea. I'm so sorry about the noise, I hope you can't hear it. I have a fun idea. I've actually never done it. Again, it's kind of funny how I keep thinking of things I've never done before, which I should be doing something before I film it, but I think it's fun to kind of go through it for the first time or learn it together. So today we're doing a bucket hat. Actually, my friend dropped off a pair of jeans, vintage polo jeans that are patchwork for me to use. And he's actually gonna get this hat for me if it comes out good. And then I'm sure I'm gonna be making myself some from some fabric I have at home. In order to do this bucket hat, I was just waiting on some denim needles. I highly recommend you get denim needles for your machine if you are planning on using denim fabric. So I ordered some from Amazon. I will link them down below. They were $8 for a pack of 5. I'll get up really quick and show it.
So every time I move, my dog thinks I'm leaving and starts getting anxiety. Munchie, I'm staying.
This is what they look like. They're a Schmetz jeans needles, and I just kind of screwed it off of my old needle off of my machine. My pattern for this hat I actually found online from this really helpful blog post. I will link that down below too. The girl showed a demo really easily. She crafted this pattern and it's printable, which is super fun because that saves time for me to draft a pattern, and when a pattern works, you know that you don't need to go through the whole trial and error. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, we need to cut out our pattern. So these are the pants that my friend gave me. They're bell-bottom jeans. They have patchwork at the bottom. He wasn't getting any use out of them, and he really wanted a custom bucket hat. So that is what we're trying to use today. These are the patterns. The pattern that I printed from that blog I was talking about, which I, again, will leave down below in. So we have these 3 pieces. So we're gonna pin these pieces down to the part of the jean that I wanna actually use. I'm trying to use the patchwork area because I think that'd be really cute.
So right now I cut the 3 pieces out. So we need to do 1 circle top, which I'm thinking to do right here. Pin that down. Then the headband has to be on folding right here. So the headband will be right here. And then the brim I need to do also 4 on fold. So I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 along this leg. So
So now that we cut the pieces, this is the circle. So the circle on the top, this is the top portion right here. That's only cut one. Then the headband part, I only cut one so far on the fold. So I do need to do one more, but I just want to show you what it looks like. And when you cut on the fold and then you open it, it's just one big piece. So this is the headband part. And then here is the brim, and the brim we need to do another 3 of these. So I'm gonna put that down on the jeans, I'm gonna cut, and then I'll show you guys the final fabric pieces.
This is the brim that we have to cut 4 of on the fold. These are the 2 headband pieces that needed to be cut in the fold, and the 1 circle piece. My machine's already threaded with a blue thread. I just need to put it through the new denim needle that I got. So I'm going to set that up right now so you guys can see. And we're going to start off by sewing these 2 pieces, always right sides together. This is the headband piece. You're gonna put them, align them together, and we're gonna sew the 2 edges. On the blog that I got this pattern from, sewed it about 0.5 centimeters, like about 1/8 of an inch on each side. And then if you need to sew more to make it fit around the cap, that's what we're gonna do. So it's kind of like a trial and error situation.
So to do this bucket hat, you actually need any sort of fabric that has stiffness to it. So either a terry cloth, a denim, a thicker cotton, anything that kind of can stand, because if not, it's just gonna like flop over. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with these 2 pieces and pin them on each side. So right now we have this, turn it inside out, and we have this little circular moment that's going on right now. So this is the headband part. Now what we're gonna do, turn this inside out so it's right sides together. So right sides together, you're just gonna lay the band flat on the hat and start pinning it all the way across the circle. So now we turn this inside out. Now we have a little hat. The only thing that's left now is these 4 pieces. 2 at a time, like 2 pairs. Right sides together. And put these pieces on top of each other. Make sure they line up. And I'm just pinning them at the sides, just like how I did with the headband. You see how it's like a U-shaped? You're gonna sew at the bottom of the U-shape. This whole bottom piece, the 2 pieces together, you're gonna sew them together alongside there, only alongside here. Also about 1/8 of an inch. So we're gonna sew along this bottom. So what happens is that you turn this inside out, and that becomes the brim area. So now we're going to do the other side. So these 2 right sides together. In order to secure this in place, you need to start doing top stitches about, I would say maybe 3/4 of an inch apart, until you get to the edge. So I'm just finger pressing this, making sure the seam is exactly in the middle. And I'm just gonna pin it down so that it's even. Top stitch, so I'm going to do that. Keep going until I reach the end. So what happens when you start sewing like this, instead of it being flimsy, it really secures and stiffens the fabric even more. So this is how one brim is supposed to look. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other piece. So this is what we have so far. I'm showing you guys up close. These are the top stitchings. I did them about 1/2 inch apart each. I just need to clean up the extra threads, but there's 2 of these. And then this is the little cap we have so far. So what we're gonna do, you choose the 2 sides that you like the most and deem those as the right sides. And so I like these sides the most. I want these to be on the outside. So I'm putting these on top of each other. And I'm gonna sew here, just like we did for the headband, about 1/8 of an inch. So now that we sew the 2 brims together, it is one big circle. And you're gonna sew this to the headband the same way that the headband was sewn to the circle. So right sides together and pin it down. So you're just gonna pin it, make sure that the seams on the inside of the headband and then the seams on the outside of the brim match up. Now you're going to sew it. Turn it inside out. You got yourself a bucket hat. So I'm done sewing. I just need to zigzag stitch all of the seams on the inside, but this is the bucket hat. This is it on the inside, so all of this needs to be zigzagged or overlocked if you have an overlock machine, but this is the hat. I think it's super cool. I hope my friend really likes it. I will try it on, and I think I might make myself one too, because I think this is so cute. So I'm gonna try on the bucket hat right now. I need to take out this literally super tight ponytail that's holding up my like 30 pounds of hair. I hope you guys liked this video. It was super simple compared to the last DIY I did. I think that if anyone's like new at sewing or, you know, has some scrap fabric at home, I think this is like a great and fun way to practice sewing and then also get a cute hat out of it. So, as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe, follow my Instagram, that'll be down below. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any ideas of any DIYs you do want to see. Bye!